Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process. And the idea here is for you to come away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here in the market and these individual names themselves. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts that are not only given in the live chat room, but also via text message and email. So if you have a full-time job, part-time job, or maybe you just can't be in front of the computer screen all day long, you're still going to get those profitable trade alerts. You're also going to get the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's get started with these charts here. The first one that I'm going to take a look at is Apple. Apple, we're coming up to some resistance here, between this sideways trading. That created a lot of resistance here. We're coming up, you can see we've kind of been having a lot of topping tails. Yes, we've been making a couple of higher highs, some higher lows as well. You can see each of the highs have gotten sold off into right here. And today on Friday, we did not make a higher high. So that's something to look into. If we see some weakness on Monday here, could be looking for some short-term downside. What you want to look for is if we do get that downside, that we have lots of support below based off of the previous resistance. You can see how much resistance that was right here. And if you've been following along, that we liked it for a long once it broke over this resistance, and then we hit our target up here based off of these highs right here and these lows right there. So we hit that target, so congrats if you've been following along. Now we're looking for some potential weakness. Again, this is that support level. We also have a trend line right here, a couple touches there, that matches up perfectly with this trend line and horizontal support. The next one we're going to take a look at is Amazon. A couple things I want you to focus on for Amazon. For one, we had what looked like a nice little breakout right here over this resistance, but it failed to really come to fruition, and you can see that we broke the support now. So this is looking more like a false breakout, and that we're going to be headed lower here in the near term down to this 738 support. You can see this is where we bounced from it last time. Next, we're going to be covering BABA, and if you've been following along, congratulations. We've been mentioning this trend line resistance for quite some time. And you can see we got another rejection here, and now we broke below this support, okay? More than likely, we're going to head down to this new support down here at about $85, $86 based off of the highs of these candles right here. So you can look for that happening sometime in the near future. The next one we're going to take a look at is BIDU. BIDU really just trading in this box some more, okay? So 172.50 approximately is the high, and about 161 is the low. More than likely, we're headed down to the low of that box this week. As you can see, we got rejected at the highs, and now we still have support down here at the lows near 161. So definitely some levels here that you need to be aware of. The next one we're going to take a look at is Chipotle. Chipotle, we broke over this 382 approximately resistance. You can see it was resistance here, 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 here. Finally broke over that. So now we have this as a support level, 382. But just above us, we have a key resistance area at about 395. More than likely, if we head up anywhere beyond this 395 to 405 resistance level, more than likely, if it heads up there, it's going to get rejected. If we pull out the chart here, you can see we've got this major downtrend line, and this is the one we're going to be focusing on right here. A couple touches here, right there, there's some rejections, and then you can see recently we've got several rejections right here along that. So definitely in a downtrend here overall on Chipotle, and more than likely if we head up towards this area, that it's going to be coming down once it hits that level. Next one we're going to take a look at is Facebook. Facebook here, another one we have that's still below this downtrend line. You can see several rejections here, there, and here we are not able to close over that level here. You can see topping tail, big topping tail, and then right here we have a bearish engulfing candle right here, right at this downtrend line. I believe that it's going to be coming down this week. So if we break these lows here at about 119.27, it's going to be headed lower here, more than likely to retest this 115 support again. The next one we're going to take a look at is Google. And Google, again, we're trading in a little box right here, and we broke out of that box right here. So 812 was the bottom of that box right there. More than likely, we're going to see some downside here coming into next week as we broke the support of that box. The next one we're going to take a look at is Netflix. Netflix still in this box, okay? Lots of support right here at about 122. You can see from the lows of all these candles right here acting as support. We also have an uptrend line right here. Lots of touches. And if we hold this, we can come up here and retest that 130 resistance up there. So that uptrend line is something that you want to see hold if you're bullish on Netflix. The next one we're going to take a look at is Priceline. And I want to kind of go over something really quick here on Priceline. It's really good to keep these trend lines drawn and actually extend them even after the fact. So what I'm talking about is, for example, back here, we had this nice uptrend, lots of touches. We broke that trend line. Okay, so what I did here is I extended this trend line here, and you can see we came up and we retested the bottom side, and that's exactly where we got rejected over here. Now, over here on Priceline, we've got a downtrend line here, rejection. We broke over that downtrend line, we headed higher, okay? Now look at where we bounced from right here on Friday, okay? Right at the retest of that trend line, okay? So same thing that happened over here, just the opposite, okay? So that's why it's a good idea to have these trend lines drawn and extend them so that you can use them as support and resistance in the future. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, give us a visit on the homepage of the website. Get to know us better. If you like the free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up, you're going to get instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.